Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the grayscale black and white on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you notice, somehow maybe you turned this on or it got turned on, this I can go ahead and turn it off and fix it. So first thing is you're going to look for the setting app. And once in your setting, we're going to scroll down to accessibility. Now once in accessibility, you're going to look for display and text size. Now from here on, scroll down a little bit further, color filters. So we're going to tap on color filters. And most likely if you have grayscale on, you probably have a color filter on, selected with grayscale. In order to fix this problem, you just simply toggle that switch off and it will turn off the color filter and then fix that black and white filter for a grayscale that you're having on your iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you guys next time.